Hi guys, I'm Grace. I'm back with 5Features, and today we're sitting down with Miss Christina with Northwest Health. She's here to talk about their heart fairs going on this weekend. Can you give us a little bit of information?
Yeah, thanks, Grace. Yes, we are having 2 free heart fairs this weekend at both of our hospitals in Springdale and then also in Bentonville. They're both free, 8:30 to 11 o'clock. Registration is preferred and encouraged, but if you decide Saturday morning you want to get up and join us, that'd be great too. A lot of free health fairs going on. We got little mini seminars that are going to be staffed by some of our physicians. We're going to talk to you about heart disease and women's health and blood glucose levels and diabetes, nutrition. Lots of great information out there, and it's all free of charge. No copay, so come on out.
That is great.
Right?
Can you tell us why you guys are hosting this event?
Yeah, so we know that heart disease is, of course, a high risk among women and other populations, but we really have learned over the years that awareness and finding out your risk factors and knowing your numbers are key to heart disease. And if we can get people out there to learn about what their numbers are and find out, do I have maybe a risk for cardiac disease, or are my blood pressure numbers a little bit off? Are they a little bit higher? So that they can then talk to their primary care physician and start to maybe work on some things like maybe exercise or diet, or maybe they're in great shape right now. You never know. But the awareness is key, and that's the first step in your cardiac health. So we want to bring it out to the community and offer that, and hopefully people will take advantage of it.
I think it's great that y'all are offering a free event to the public this weekend.
From 8:30 to 11 a.m., we'll have the free heart health fairs. We're having them on 2 of our hospital campuses. They'll be at the Springdale Hospital, which is on West Maple Avenue in Springdale. And then our second one is going to be at the Bentonville Hospital. Same time, same date, but it's going to be in Bentonville at that facility, which is on Medical Center Parkway. So if you're in the northern part of the county, there's an option for you. If you're maybe in the southern part or in Washington County, we've got a location as well. So yeah, great time. Lots of education. We'll have some heart healthy refreshments. And one of my favorite parts that I'll add is that we're going to have some adoptable pets that are going to be available. So pretty excited. We have Humane Society for Animals coming to Rogers, to our Bentonville campus, and then the Springdale Animal Services will be at the Springdale campus. We know that pets can help lower blood pressure, provide companionship. They can offer exercise opportunities, people to get out and exercise, maybe socialize. So we're going to have some adoptable pets, so people might find their forever friend and get to play with a cute little puppy or two. And
Definitely.
I mean, that's my favorite part. So
I think that'll encourage a lot of people to come out, actually.
But we do have a lot of free screenings. Blood glucose, you can have your sugar level checked. We're going to talk a lot about diabetes and looking at those numbers. You can have your lipid profile done as well. We're also going to have a demonstration for hands-only CPR. So you can come out, practice, learn how to do CPR. Just a lot of great information for folks this weekend.
And is this event for all ages?
All ages. This is our second year to do it, and last year I remember we had a nice lady that had some of her kids there, and they learned how to do CPR.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
You're never too young to learn.
No, it's so exciting. And then the other thing that we offer is a tour of our cardiac cath lab. So I always tell people the best way to come into that cath lab is, walking vertically in there, not on a stretcher. But we're going to go behind the scenes, and you can see what all happens in our cardiac cath lab. And that's the room where if they think you're having a heart attack, they bring you in, and they have to sometimes open up valves, put in stents. They also do the test to see if you have any kind of blockage. So it's kind of nice to see what goes on behind the scenes. They give you a tour of it, talk to you about the different equipment and the things and the processes. So very educational.
Yes, it's never too young to learn all of these techniques. The more you know, the better informed you are.
Yes, and an opportunity to talk to cardiologists, some of our primary care physicians, our endocrinologist will be there. So I always encourage people, I'm like, when do you get to go to a physician and talk to them for free, right? I mean,
Exactly.
no copay, no charge. So we're pretty excited. Come out, ask those questions, you know, and maybe you'll find a new physician if you're looking too.
Definitely. And if we are wanting to do any of these tests, is there anything we need to do to be prepared for that?
Yes, great question. Yes. If you do plan on taking some of the screenings like the blood glucose or blood lipid, we ask that you fast 8 to 12 hours beforehand. Come in, we'll hopefully get you there at 8:30 to get started, and you won't have to go that long without food, and then afterwards we're providing refreshments, so
Perfect.
don't need to worry. We'll get you hydrated and get you fed after that. So yeah, good question. So registration, again, it is free. We do kind of want people to register, so we just have a good idea of who's going to attend and the numbers. They can go on northwesthealth.com, and they can either go to our cardiac care page or also look at our events page and go online and register. And plus there's information about all the screenings and the seminars, who's talking and at what times.
Perfect.
Yeah. So the heart fairs will be at 2 of our hospitals at Springdale, 609 West Maple Avenue. It's Northwest Medical Center, Springdale, and then also our Bentonville Hospital, Northwest Medical Center, Bentonville, and that's at 3000 Medical Center Parkway in Bentonville.
And both of these events are going on from 8:30 to 11 this Saturday.
Yep. Drop in anytime between those times. Like I said, we have tons of screenings, free refreshments. We'll even do some maybe some door prizes, and even have some adoptable pets for people to come out and look at. So
How much fun.
Yeah.
It's a great thing to do on your Saturday morning.
Yes. We hope you'll join Northwest Health at our heart fairs this Saturday from 8:30 to 11 at one of our 2 locations, Northwest Medical Center Springdale or Northwest Medical Center Bentonville.
And thanks for watching 5 Features.